Hi everyone, I just wanted to share a few video clips with you from yesterday. I was out riding Extreme Enduro with a bunch of friends here in Spain. It was a fantastic day, but it was a reminder that we should all stick together and help each other because things got a little bit wild yesterday, and it's thanks to my friends that everybody got out safely. So really think carefully if you're going to ride on your own. It can be dangerous, and it's good to ride with other people and have other people there to help you. So cheers everyone, and enjoy this video. Guys, if you want the chance to win a custom rally bike, like the bike that I rode around the world on Races to Places, it's worth £50,000, it's custom built by me, and your chance to win it is in the top right hand corner. So click on the link, get involved, get your ticket, and good luck.
You got it. That's it, you got it. Change of battery for you guys. Okay. Aquí bien, ¿no? Whoop, whoop.
Dos, tercero, no.